What do you think? We picked up our new rig. It's just a little one. All right, go ahead, hon. See you later. So I guess what's kind of prompted me to do this little update on BigBlack is that I've been running the stock upgraded oil cooler from MOTORCRAFT Ford, and I'll tell you right now, where these numbers are, the speed that I'm at, and the temperature that it is outside, I haven't seen those numbers in like, I don't know, I feel like 4, 5, 6 years. I'm actually not sure, because I've been so conditioned to seeing the upgraded garbage oil coolers that you can get online, which you end up, you end up paying probably the same amount of money for a Ford oil cooler of 300 and something bucks, just because of the plain fact that you end up replacing the oil cooler so many times. So this is BigBlack. What's up, Guy Garage? And I think what's prompted me to do this right here was I've got my Google Maps on, and I've got Pandora playing in the background, and for the first time, I have no idea how it did this, it alerted me to a speed trap. I don't ever remember hearing Google Maps saying there's a speed trap up ahead. I don't know, where did it get that information from? That was actually pretty cool. So, but just, yeah, I'm telling you, there are definitely certain parts that you buy for your vehicle, you're really going to want to pay the extra money and get the Ford replacement for it. Sometimes it is a gamble or a crapshoot or whatever you want to call it, but I'll tell you right now, look at those numbers. I mean, I'm actually exceeding the speed limit now. I am going, what, 76 miles an hour? And we're 5 degrees between a separation, or that delta between oil and coolant. Coolant is literally not budging past 190. I don't know, man, I'm telling you. Now the truck is acting exactly the way it should. So guess what, honey? We're going camping next year.
Just subscribe. Stop killing me here.